Haunted galaxy clusters, unveiling the mysterious cosmos. The universe is a place of wonder and mystery, filled with countless galaxies, stars, and cosmic phenomena. Among the most enigmatic and eerie of these phenomena are galaxy clusters, vast collections of galaxies held together by gravity. While these clusters may seem serene at first glance, they hide a deep secret: the presence of invisible and elusive dark matter. In this exploration, we delve into the world of haunted galaxy clusters, where dark matter reigns supreme, shaping the cosmos in ways that both bewilder and intrigue scientists. A cosmic gathering. Galaxy clusters are immense structures that consist of numerous galaxies, hot gas, and, lurking in the shadows, dark matter. These clusters can span millions of light years across and contain thousands of galaxies. The force of gravity holds these galaxies in place, creating a mesmerizing dance in the cosmos. As we peer into the heart of these clusters, we begin to sense an uncanny presence: dark matter, a mysterious entity that refuses to interact with light. Dark matter's grip. The eerie aspect of galaxy clusters lies in their dark matter content. Dark matter is a mysterious, invisible substance that neither emits nor absorbs light. Yet, it accounts for a significant portion of the cluster's mass. Dark matter forms a colossal and unseen framework around galaxies, acting as an invisible hand that shapes their movement. It is as if an unseen force, beyond our perception, guides the destiny of these galaxies. Haunting effects. Dark matter exerts its gravitational influence throughout the cluster, and its effects are both puzzling and profound. Galaxies within clusters move at speeds that should cause them to escape the cluster's gravitational pull, yet they remain confined. The unseen grip of dark matter holds them in place, creating an eerie equilibrium that belies our understanding of gravity. The cosmic web. Clusters of galaxies are not isolated islands in space, they are interconnected by an intricate structure known as the cosmic web. Dark matter forms the invisible threads of this web, connecting galaxies across vast cosmic distances. It is as if the universe itself is haunted by the presence of dark matter, weaving an otherworldly tapestry of interconnectedness. Ghostly matter. The enigma of dark matter is compounded by our lack of knowledge about its composition. While it makes up a substantial part of the universe, it is not composed of atoms or any known subatomic particles. Scientists have searched for dark matter particles for decades, employing intricate experiments deep underground and in space, yet the identity of this cosmic ghost remains elusive. Unveiling the shadows. Haunted galaxy clusters are a testament to the profound mysteries that the universe holds. Dark matter, an invisible and intangible force, shapes these clusters in ways that continue to confound scientists. As our understanding of the cosmos deepens and technology advances, we inch closer to unveiling the secrets of these ghostly cosmic structures. Perhaps one day, we will fully comprehend the nature of dark matter and the eerie presence it casts over our universe, shedding light on the shadows that haunt galaxy clusters. Until then, the cosmic dance of galaxies and dark matter continues, captivating our imagination and beckoning us to explore the depths of the cosmos.